Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Yan, we have a new reaction video again. Yan, magre-reaction video ulit tayo with Vanny Babiola. At ang kinanta niya ay I Will Always Love You. At ito po ay acoustic. Galing ah. Yan. He sing I Will Always Love You with acoustic. Yan, he used the guitar only. At napakaganda din ang tira na dito, guys. Sobra soft na soft. Ang ganda, guys. Napaka lupit ng tinira na dito, guys. Napakaganda. Ayan, ito umpisahan na natin ang ating reaction video about Vanny Babiola. Yan, I Will Always Love You. Cover by Vanny Babiola. Ayan. Ayan, umpisahan na natin ang kanta ni Vanny Babiola na I Will Always Love You. Yan, original by Whitney Houston, cover by Vanny Babiola. Yan, try po natin. At ito po ay just only acoustic, but come on, napakaganda ng boses niya, guys. Yan, umpisa na natin. Oh. So tayo na, guys.
Yes. I will.
Guys, sobrang ganda ng boses niya at lahat ng even though acoustic, yung mga matataas na ano, ang ganda kuhang-kuha niya guys. At, napakagaling. Yan. Ganda ng boses nito. Ayan guys, tapos na tayo sa ating reaction video. Yan, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell guys para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. And guys, thank you very much for watching on my reaction video and comment below at kung may gusto pa kayong pa-reaction sa akin at ating i-reaction video natin yan guys. Maraming salamat and peace!